WonderForest.com.
Hey guys, this is me, Sunny Plays, and welcome to the How to Play Minecraft series tutorial number 4. So we didn't get to finish our mining topic. So as you saw in the last video, I said I was going to make a part 2 to this. Okay then, so let's see what special ores we can find. And we have iron tools, which is good, a sword and a pickaxe. So right now I will go to layer 16. Better press F3. If you're on a Mac, then probably press finish and then F3. And then check your X, Y, and Z. So there it is. That's 14. I should probably go for 14 because that's probably in the middle. So luckily this isn't layer. I don't know what layer this is. Well, I should make more torches. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Okay. Okay then. So we can now go into efficient mining now. So in part 1 we learned how to dig to layer 16, 15, 14 and layers lower than that. And occasionally we got to bedrock, which is over there. Okay then. So now you want to place a torch for every 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I placed a torch for these 4 blocks. You should do it within this range. In case we find something good. Okay then, so now we can go ahead and dig through all this dirt first. Okay guys, so we're just trying to dig down the stone. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't forget to put your torches, otherwise monsters will be sneaking up on you. And you don't want that happening. We haven't found anything good, but if you use this method, you will find something good. If you still don't find any good, you could strip mine. Let me tell you if I found something good. So guys, when digging through all this, we didn't find something good. When I was strip mining, I eventually realized this. So guys, we found diamonds, and I'm going to show you how to efficiently mine diamonds. Okay guys, so I guess how many diamonds have we found? That's 4. Well, that's good, guys. Well, that's good. So diamond is one of the ores which must be mined with either an iron or a diamond pickaxe. And probably the first pickaxe you probably want to mine diamond is probably iron, because a diamond pickaxe requires diamonds to be crafted unless you find it in some sort of chest or something. So there you should probably keep a chest, like something like chests, so you can keep all your goodies. Okay guys, I forgot you can't open chests here. There you go, we can put our diamonds in here. So let me go and strip mine even more. There's our stone pickaxe, it's almost broken. Luckily, iron pickaxes are much more durable. I had to dig this much to find the diamonds though. I should literally cover this whole thing up with dirt. So it will look normal, of course. Okay guys, so right now we can patch these areas up. So now we could probably go ahead and do our side shafts. We could go do our side strips, but for some reason right here, there is gravel. I occasionally don't know what is happening right now. No, it's too late. Let me just go mine this. Man, gravel is really hard to handle, but you'll get used to it. So that's your side strip number 1. You know, side strips are really good when it comes to mining, although they aren't really necessary, but they're handy in case you want to find more minerals or stuff like that. We don't really need that. So probably right now we could just see if we can find any of these in the side. And look at that. Oh, I forgot the shield. My bad. I forgot there was nothing in there. My bad. It was just gravel. No big of a deal. Let's try digging even further so we can strip mine even further. So we found one precious ore, diamonds. You know, diamonds are very rare. If you like craft a diamond pickaxe, you'll be able to mine obsidian, which is a purple hard type of stone related block. Yup, it cannot be broken with any pickaxe anything other than a diamond pickaxe. Now bedrock can't be broken with anything, and it can't be crafted as well. It's like bedrock's literally the worst version of obsidian. But yeah, that's how Mojang decided to do it, and now Microsoft owns Minecraft because Mojang decided to retire. Looks like we found the good plain old iron again. We don't need to explain it because we already explained it in the last tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Let me just go. There's just so much iron here. Oh my god. Just saying, ore takes like a long time to break. I'm just gonna make everything look normal. And as you see, we mined lots of stone here. We mined like 6 full stacks of stone. Basically, iron pickaxes are the second most durable types. Well, better make sure you don't go near these because they're creepers, and creepers are bad. Creepers are the worst type of mobs. Never ever go near them. Looks like they are always passive, so I believe right now we should stop. There is a creeper spawner. So must be a creeper acolytes. You guys should kind of know how to handle creepers well. Oh my god, no! Well, this was unexpected, wasn't it? Well, I probably know this place is really dark, so there is definitely going to be lots of creepers here. Of course we got our first gunpowder, but that creeper explosion was not cool. In the caves, you can really find lots of minerals, but since they're like full of monsters as well, you probably won't want to find them as well. And since there might be poisonous monsters down in the caves. But it's a big challenge. Minecraft is here to test your strengths. And won't you look at that? We found a special type of ore, which we came down to a ravine. We basically came down to a ravine. I definitely want to push this zombie down in lava, but I can't seem to do that. Okay, so we found two ores that we haven't looked at right now. It's called lapis lazuli, and short for lapis, we'll see lapis lazuli is good for enchanting, but we won't claim the redstone right now. And of course, lava is dangerous, as I explained in the first tutorial, of course. And inside this thing, then fire spreads will be hard to enable. And of course, there may be lots of monsters and lots of bats down in the caves. Okay then, let's see if we can mine all these irons. So guys, we found two different ores. We weren't able to mine that ore. This ore is called redstone. We were able to mine 3 of them. We didn't find gold, emerald. I don't know what else we found. I'm pretty sure in the last one we found iron and coal. I don't know. I don't think we'll need the granite. Man, that creeper explosion was mild. I think a creeper kind of exploded on me, which wasn't good. Of course, I take free food, but I can't seem to do it because my inventory is almost full. And look at that, we got more coal right there. See, coal is so common, and you get lots of XP from there. You know, the good thing about redstone does is that it shows light. It's like sometimes you don't even see the creeper, which kind of stinks. So, well, of course, it's nighttime, so you yup, I made the advancement diamonds. So your goal of Minecraft is to get as much advancements as possible. So this is the standard set of advancements, this is the husbandry advancements, and this is the adventure advancements. So of course, here's Minecraft, of course. We need to fill a bucket with lava and then protect yourself with a piece of iron armor. Not today, thank you. Deflect an arrow with a shield. Of course, form and mine a block of obsidian. Yep. Ice bucket challenge. And then cover me with diamonds. Diamond armor saves lives. Enchant an item. Enchanter. Enchant an item at enchanting table. Well, of course, even though it's called enchantment table, I'm pretty sure it's called enchanting table. Enchantment table, enchanting table, whatever it is. We didn't consume that much food, which is good. We weren't able to find like gold and emerald, but I'm going to show you what they are like right now. This is how gold ore looks, and then of course here's the gold ingot after you smelt it in a furnace. If you mine gold, then you will get the ore itself. If you smelt it in a furnace, then you'll get the gold ingots. Of course, it can only be mined with an iron or diamond pickaxe, just like diamonds. And of course, I have one more ore. I show you. I have to show you emerald ore. Of course, here it is. Here it is. That's emerald ore. It looks like that. You know it's emerald ore because of those green dots. Okay, so like gold and diamond, they can only be mined with an iron or diamond pickaxe, and of course it will drop this emerald, which can be traded with villagers. Of course. So that is emerald ore. So we saw a new ore called redstone ore. It drops redstone. This is how redstone dust looks like. Yep, it drops redstone dust. So this is how it is. So guys, I showed you all the ores and what they drop. We didn't have time to show them up, so I just Googled it to show you. Basically searched them off of the internet. Because after this tutorial, we do want to move on to another subject. I want to move on to something like the monster section, because we see all those monsters here. Yep, that would be good. Well, anyways, thank you so much. 450 views. Of course, that's going to be my last video. I posted a special. Thank you so much for reaching that. Well, of course, this is tutorial 4 of our how to play Minecraft series. Even though my skin is Steve, I don't have the full version, so guys, I'm going to create like a Let's Play season 2, probably, yeah, with a skin. Of course, guys, so be sure to do 4 of these things: like this video, subscribe. Turn on notifications if you haven't, and of course comment down below. So thank you so much, and